What if your floors clean themselves while you relax on the couch? Relieve Face say hello to the Honiture T10, the ultra-smart robot vacuum that's built to clean smarter, deeper, and faster, so you don't have to. Tired of chasing pet hair? Sick of bending under couches or fighting stubborn carpet dust? The Honiture T10 feels your struggle and solves it. Light bulb LiDAR smart mapping. It's not random. It's LiDAR laser guided, scanning your home with military-like precision for 100% coverage, no missed spots. Sparkles 3 in one clean power. Vacuum plus sweep plus mop. Dust? Gone. Crumbs? Handled. Sticky mess? Mopped. One pass. Total clean. Magnet 5,000 pascals ultra-strong suction. It packs a whopping 5,000 pascals of suction, enough to lift embedded pet hair, fine dust, and carpet debris with zero mercy. Soap Smart Carpet Boost. Worried about your thick rugs? Don't be. The T10 automatically boosts power when it detects carpet. No lifting. No setting changes. Tornado Ultra Slim 3.3-inch design. Slides under beds and sofas. Like a ninja. If you can't reach it, this robot can. Prohibited custom no-go zones. Got pet bowls or delicate areas? Just draw a no-go zone in the app. It'll never go there. Brain obstacle avoidance with infrared sensors. It doesn't crash. It sees. Avoids cords, furniture, and stairs in real time. Mobile phone app plus voice control. Control from anywhere on your phone, or just ask Alexa or Google. No hands required. House multi-floor mapping. Up to 5 editable maps. Live in a multi-story home? T10 remembers every level. No confusion, just clean. Battery 120-minute runtime plus auto recharge. Cleans for 2 hours straight, then finds its dock, recharges, and resumes exactly where it left off. Genius. Peck highlights for tech lovers. Dimensions. 13 inches by 13 inches by 3.3 inches. Battery. 2,600 milliamp hours, 120-minute runtime. Dustbin. 250 milliliters water tank. 300 milliliters. Connectivity. 2.4G Wi-Fi, app remote, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Weight. 3.1 kilograms. Color. White. If you want spotless floors without lifting a finger. If you want your weekends back, then don't wait. The Honiture T10 is your new best friend. Soap sparkles. Click below and bring home the future of effortless cleaning today. Links in bio at ShoppyExpress at shop.inhoniture.com tab. Discount code ShoppyExpress.